In this video, we'll demonstrate how to automate a call or text message in Emergency SOS. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. In today's fast-paced world, having easy access to emergency contacts on your smartphone is crucial for your safety and peace of mind. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily add the contacts you want for emergencies. Begin with unlocking your iPhone and navigating to the Settings menu. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Emergency SOS option. Tap on it to access the Emergency SOS settings. Once you're in the Emergency SOS settings, you'll see the option to Set up emergency contacts in Health. Tap on this option to proceed. You will be taken to the Health app. In the top right corner, you'll find the Edit button. Tap on it to start editing your emergency contacts. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there you'll find the Add Emergency Contact option. Select it to add a new emergency contact. Choose the contact you want to add from your phone's address book by tapping on their name. After selecting the contact, you'll be prompted to choose their relationship to you, like spouse, parent, friend. Pick the appropriate relationship from the list. Once you've selected the contact and their relationship, tap Done in the top right corner to save the information. You'll now be redirected back to the Emergency Contacts section. Here, you will see the number you added, along with the chosen relationship, appearing in the Emergency Contact field. Setting up emergency contacts on your smartphone is a simple but essential step to ensure your safety in critical situations. With this feature enabled, you'll have quick access to the right people when you need them the most. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.